Hi guys, I am Ranjitha from Department of Basic Science. The subject is Introduction to Mechanical Engineering. The topic is Construction and Advantages of Future Mobility Vehicles in Automobile Industry. The contents are Applications of IC engine, Insight into Future Mobility, Components of Electric Vehicles, Components of hybrid vehicles, advantages and disadvantages of electric vehicles, advantages and disadvantages of hybrid vehicles. Then comes applications of IC engines. Internal combustion engines are widely used in transportation, power generation and industrial equipment. These can be used in wide range of applications in such various industries as various industries. Some of the common applications of IC engines are they can be used in automobiles, aircraft, marine, agriculture, power generation, construction, military and small equipment. Then comes insight into future mobility. Insight into future mobility. Increasing in the number of automobile vehicles in the world also increases the demand of the fuels. Some vehicles uses alternative power system to drive the vehicle. Electrical and hybrid vehicles are some such of alternative system of vehicles driving in automobile industry. Then insight into future mobility. This is the mechanism. Then electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are either partially or fully electricals. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular because they have low running costs and they no need to be usage of the fuel. Electric vehicles also use electric motors that powers the vehicles. Hybrid vehicles. Hybrid vehicles are powered by an internal combustion engine and one or more electric motors which uses energy and stored in the batteries. These features result in better fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Learn and they do not harm the environment. Components of electric vehicles: charger, battery, power converter, electric motor, transmission, drive shaft, wheels. These are the components of the electric vehicles. Then motor. Motor converts electrical energy into kinetic energy that moves the wheels. The advantage of using the motor instead of an engineer is numerous. The noise and the vibration we typically associated with cars are minimized. Then comes reducer. The reducer is a kind of transmission that serves to effectively convey the motor's power to the wheel. The reduce must always reduce the RPM to the appropriate level. Then comes battery. The battery stores electrical energy and is equivalent of a fuel tank in a internal combustion engine. Then comes onboard charger. The onboard charger is used as converting alternate current from slow chargers or portable chargers used on the home outlets from the direct current. Then comes electric power control unit. The electric power control unit is an efficient integration of nearly all devices that controls the flow of voltage. In that inverter, the inverter converts the batteries DCs into AC, which then is used to control the motor speed. Then comes low voltage DC to converter. The LDC converts the high voltage electricity from the electric vehicles high voltage battery into low voltage systems. Vehicle control unit. It controls all the vehicles power control mechanisms for the electronic system. Then comes components of the hybrid vehicles. The main components of hybrid vehicles are gasoline engine, battery, transmission, electric motor, fuel tank, generator. These are the components of the hybrid vehicles. Gasoline engine. The hybrid vehicle still has the gasoline engine. This remains to be the main power source of the vehicle. Then comes electric motor. This is the feature that makes the hybrid vehicle particularly special. Then comes fuel tank. You still have a fuel tank to store your gasoline like in a conventional vehicle. Due to advanced technology in hybrid cars, the fuel won't need to be used as much. Then comes transmission. Most hybrid vehicles will still use a conventional transmission that you would be find in a regular gasoline car. However, there are few transmission being built specifically for certain hybrid cars. Then comes batteries. The batteries are the most important role for a hybrid vehicle. Not only that, but the batteries can actually take power back from the electric motor too. The advantages of electric vehicles are it reduces the air pollution, it doesn't harm any environment, it's eco-friendly, then better for our energy security. It almost 85% of India's oil needs are transport related. It reduces the usage of the fuels compared to the normal vehicles, less noise and smoother motion. Then cost effective, it's very less cost, low maintenance, almost 100% of these batteries can be recycled. The disadvantage of electric vehicles is high initial cost, charging station limitations. As the charging stations are less, the people who need to travel long distances are concerned about finding the adequate charging stations. Recharging takes time, limited options, less driving range, fire hazards. The possibilities of the fire hazards is more. Then comes advantages of hybrid vehicles. Its advantages is environmentally friendly, financial benefits, and less dependence on the fossil fuels. Then comes regenerative braking system. Each time you would apply the brake while driving a hybrid vehicle, it helps you to recharge your battery a little. Then comes built from a light material. The hybrid vehicles are made up a lighter vehicle, which means a less energy is required to run them. The disadvantages of hybrid vehicles is it consumes less power, it can be expensive, poorer handling, higher maintenance and cost, accident from high voltage in batteries, battery replacement is pricey. Thank you.